Good morning guys. Ito naman tayo. Gawa tayo ng saluyot guys. Tutumba siya. Lipat ko nga dito. Against the light siya. Dito guys, malaki itong sarol ko sa atin. Kailangan ganito na siya hanggang mapilo-pilo. Bebe, gulo na ano? Gulo. Wala kasi akong, hindi ko kasi nadala yung ano. Kasi pwede ibaba. Napakanipis. Napakanipis. Bulbul. Mariam? Bebe? Come here. Manintuhin lang siya. Harap maging pino siya. Kasi pag biniblend ko siya, hindi kayanin ng ano. Masisira yung ano. Kung sa atin ito guys, tumutubo lang ito sa mga likod-likod ng bahay natin. Hinimay-himay ko lang to isang araw. Kasi sa isang sako, ang laman 7. Buti nga lang, isang sako lang, binit-bit. Sa isang sako, 7, dalawang ganun na tali, 7. Ano? What you want to eat? Oh, you're wearing a very... Yeah. What about...
Egg.
No, what about you last night? What are you doing here?
Hey, you do it in the house.
But you sleep there and Eloisa said,
Yeah, she give you something.
huh?
Yeah, she give you something.
Blanket?
She give you something to.
And then you did not put on the refresh.
I was when I come the house, على طول I go up.
And then you did not close the door. Alatul, you sleep and then you did not close the door.
You was asleep, huh?
Yeah. Before I sleep with my
No, when all of them go, I sleep.
Mm-hmm.
I was not sleepy, but I said I was asleep because it's not good to sleep. Huh? I sleep in the car.
And then who take you up?
I wake up. I will say, Mama, wake me up. Or I don't know. What is this?
Butter.
Why it's melted? Hi guys.
There is a part with that meat all the time.
I'm doing
The mommy of Judy, she come back again. Amy,
no.
you didn't see?
No. I saw one girl.
Mm-hmm.
I know her, but I forgot her name. Not Amy.
Amy. Dada Amy.
She's Dubai.
Yeah.
That's not Amy, no.
No, she's Amy.
Amy, she's Muslim.
No, not Muslim.
Really?
Rimalin.
This one is Muslim.
Rimalin is Muslim.
Mm.
Even her husband, she married when she married Muslim also. When she
No,
was baby.
it's not her.
Another one is Amy. Dada Amy. They call her
She's
Dada
big
Amy.
band.
Yeah.
It is something here, white and I'm not let her like this. You know her now?
Yeah.
Who's this?
Amy.
Yeah, it's not her. Okay, when
The servant of Madam Ima.
no,
Dada of
she
the...
become a servant of Madam Imam. Not a servant to her, but if you open the
She's... It's a long time, baby. She's servant of them.
yeah. Why is it smelting?
Oh, not yet hot.
I opened the
It's open already. Wait. Open it, please. It's so very... It takes a lot of time to become hot.
huh?
It takes a lot of time to become hot.
Okay.